Since I have more tomato plants than I needed, I wanted to try something new. Growing tomato in PET bottle upside down is one of the challenging experiments for the beginner like me. However, I just gave it a try since I have a lot of PET bottles and a lot of tomato plants. I have been growing over 40 vegetables on my balcony at the same time, so my focus was on other vegetables. These PET bottle tomato plants have been left out on the balcony. I didn't fertilize them at all, and sometimes I also forget to water them. So the PET bottles dried up many times. It's amazing that they still produce me tomatoes. There are 6 different varieties of tomatoes that I grow in PET bottles, and they do very well. I will try to fertilize the tomato plants and also give them good support to see how big they could grow. In case you are interested to grow your tomato plants this way, I would recommend you to grow when your tomato plants are small, as you have to push them through the neck of the bottles. This is one of the best ways to grow your tomatoes when you have limited space. The size and the taste of tomatoes from these PET bottles are pretty good. You will be satisfied. One thing to keep in mind when growing tomatoes in PET bottle is that they tend to dry up very fast, so that you need to water them in the morning and evening, and you need to fertilize them a lot as they have a little bit of soil inside the bottles only. I'm sure if I water them very often and fertilize them, I would have better results. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.